Raindrops tap on the sand, soft and light. Waves whisper secrets, night and day's delight. Footprints fade with each step we take. Memories mix with the salty wake. Clouds gather like old friends, close and tight. Echoes of laughter, now just a memory bright. Rain and sea blend into one, a serene duet. In this moment time seems to retreat. Rain on the beach, a lullaby so sweet. Waves and rain, a melody complete. Memories float like leaves in the breeze. In this quiet my heart feels at ease. Rain whispers tales of the past so clear. Dreams and hopes, now just a tender tear. Each drop a story, each wave a sigh. In this embrace I find a new goodbye. Rain dances with the stars, a starry night. Sea and sky, a canvas of light. In this tranquil scene, my soul finds rest. Under the rain, my spirit finds its best. Rain on the beach, a lullaby so deep. Waves and rain, a melody that keeps. Memories linger like shadows on the tide. In this quiet my heart feels truly wide. Rain washes away the weight of life's strife. In this moment I'm free to give to the waves and the rain. I let go, finding peace where the world once went. Rain on the beach, a lullaby so true. Waves and rain, a melody anew. Memories fade like morning mist. In this quiet my heart feels at last. Rain on the beach, a lullaby so shrill. Waves and rain, a melody anew. Memories fade like morning mist. In this quiet my heart feels right. Rain on the beach, a lullaby so still. Waves and rain, a melody that will. Memories linger like the light of the light. In this quiet my heart feels right.